Welcome to Business Training Media. If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur looking to take your marketing efforts to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, we're introducing our online course, How to Write a Winning Marketing Plan. Whether you're launching a new business or refining your current strategies, a solid marketing plan is the foundation of success. Watch until the end to find out how you can enroll in this course and take your business to the next level. Without a clear marketing plan, you're essentially flying blind. Many businesses struggle with marketing because they lack direction, consistency, and measurable goals. A marketing plan provides the structure you need to ensure your efforts are both strategic and effective. It helps you identify your audience, allocate your budget wisely, and execute campaigns that drive real results. In this course, you'll gain essential skills to craft a powerful marketing plan tailored to your business needs. By the end of the course, you'll understand the benefits of a marketing plan and how it can elevate your business. You'll learn how to conduct effective market research to find your ideal customers and define clear and achievable marketing goals. You will master the 4 P's of the marketing mix: product, price, place, and promotion, and identify the right marketing mix for your business along with the resources required to implement it. You will also draft a realistic marketing budget that maximizes ROI and create a marketing calendar that keeps you on track for the next year. This course is not just about theory. Throughout each section, you'll be actively developing your own marketing plan. With guided exercises and worksheets, you'll put your plan together step by step. By the time you finish the course, you won't just know how to write a marketing plan, you'll actually have a complete, actionable plan ready to implement. The course starts with market research to help you understand your audience. You will learn who your ideal customers are, what they need, and where they spend their time. This insight will shape your entire marketing approach. Next, you'll set SMART marketing goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, so you have clear targets that drive results. Then you'll explore different marketing tactics, including digital advertising, content marketing, social media, and email campaigns, to find the right combination of strategies to reach and engage your audience. Once you've established your tactics, you'll create a marketing budget to ensure you're spending wisely and getting the best return on investment. Finally, you'll put everything together into a structured marketing calendar, your roadmap for the next year, to keep you organized and focused on consistent execution. Unlike other courses that simply provide information, this course follows a clear, proven formula for success. It is designed for action, not just learning. You won't be left wondering what to do next, you'll be guided step by step until your plan is complete. No more guesswork and no more wasted time and money on ineffective marketing strategies. With this course, you'll have a marketing plan built on best practices and real-world strategies that you can confidently execute. This course is perfect for small business owners and entrepreneurs who want to create a structured, results-driven marketing strategy. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing marketing approach, this course will give you the tools and knowledge to succeed. When you enroll, you'll receive 1 hour of on-demand video lessons, 2 in-depth articles, and 6 downloadable resources to help you build your marketing plan. You'll also have full access on mobile and TV, lifetime access to the course materials, and a certificate of completion to showcase your skills. Ready to elevate your business? Enroll in How to Write a Winning Marketing Plan course today by clicking the link in the description. By the end of this course, you'll have a complete marketing plan that aligns with your business goals and drives success. You'll know how to research your market, set clear objectives, choose the right marketing tactics, budget effectively, and implement your plan with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your colleagues and professional network. Click on the course link in the description to get started on building your winning marketing plan today.